Hey, it's Raven Tactical here. We're going to do a kind of a review and a little bit of an upgrade for you. So we're going to use the Surefire 6P here. Surefire 6P, right? So I bought this right at my deployment in '09, or actually it was '08, right before '09 kicked off. So we were looking for military flashlights and stuff, and I was new to the unit or new to the military at that time, and a lot of people were getting Surefires. They make a good product. And so we bought them, used it overseas quite a bit. It was great because 1, 2, 3 batteries were free. We would get them by the case, right? Came back home, and the downside to a Surefire flashlight, with especially the old incandescent bulb style, is it burns through batteries quick. You're looking at maybe a few hour battery lifetime, and then you're replacing 1, 2, 3s. 2 batteries at that time, if you would buy them outright by yourself, you're looking at $4 or $5 per battery, so it got expensive. So I kind of tossed it off to the side, and then as technology increased, or technology got better, we wound up seeing like Cree LEDs and rechargeable flashlights and all that. Excuse me. So I dug this back up when going through some of my stuff, and I said there's got to be a replacement for the old bulb. So looked online and found a basically it's a 1200 lumen LED replacement for it. So I wrote down the product number. So it's a XPLV6 LED bulb replacement. It was about $18 on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. You're looking at 1200 lumens. Right now the standard bulb's in here, so I don't even know what it is when it was. It's bright enough, it's good, but these things really quickly die out. I'm hoping with the LED side of the house that it works a little bit better. So I'll do the whole little demonstration thing here. So got the new bulb, comes in a package. Pull it out. You unscrew. Unscrew the top side. Take the old 6-volt valve bulb out. Replace it with this. Drop her in. Already you're seeing quite a bit of difference, right? Brighter, a lot brighter. A lot whiter of a light, a lot nicer of a light. If you've never seen a Surefire flashlight, so it's got the standard tail cap is this, right? So you get this, you got a pressure switch, or if you turn it all the way to the right, it stays permanently on. What I'm going to use this light for, and test it out to see how long with the new 1200 lumens is. The body and the construction of these things are really decent. I'm going to wind up converting it to a weapons light and just mounting it, and maybe getting there's a tail cap attachment that you can get, so you can rig it to a switch on your handle things. But I'm super impressed. As you can see, I didn't even open this yet. You're seeing it as soon as I see it. Excellent so far. And then I'll just keep seeing how it uses it around here. It's getting dark sooner, so doing chores at the end of the day, putting the chickens away and whatnot, you need light to see where you are when you check on them, do your head count. So I'll test this out further. I'll see how long it lasts on a set of 1, 2, 3s. I did put a brand new 1, 2, 3s in it. Here's the packaging showing it to you. Probably could have shown it to you opening the package to prove that they are brand new batteries in here. But I did show you the brightness on the old incandescent bulb and now the LED bulb. Much better, much neater. So if you're interested in it and upgrading your old Surefires, yeah, I would say switching to this setup is a lot nicer. I'll definitely give a review in hopefully a couple days to see how long the batteries last on it. Hopefully it lasts a little bit longer than, lasts longer than a couple hours. But for sure this could, if it all works out, would make a great weapons light. Anyways, thank you. It's Raven Tactical out.